Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct one of these things. This is a construction of an equilateral triangle. Now you might not see the construction lines, which are basically two circles, but I'll show you how to actually do the construction using creating a equilateral triangle using two circles. So this is an equilateral triangle. I'll just type that in, clicking on this button, text, make a text box, and just say equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, and it's a construction, so we'll just say construction. Okay, so here are the steps. So you need a circle with center through point. There's a circle there. Now I'm going to draw another circle. This time the center of the circle will be E, and it'll extend out to D. So you'll notice when I get near D, that little hand icon appears, and you just release it there. Okay, so there are my circles. I need to locate the intersection point here with a point. So I click on the point here and just hover over there, over that region, and click my third point. So now I've got 3 points to make an equilateral triangle. I'm going to do it using the polygon icon here, and I'll just go for this polygon here, 3 points, and just simply click on E. Sorry, I was dragging the mouse then. Click on E, click on D, click on F, click on E, and there's your right angled, your equilateral triangle. I can just drag that and show you that it is a right angled triangle. If I drag this E point or D point, I can change the size of it. If I drag the F point, it's unaffected, right? So it's just the blue points which enable you to make it bigger and smaller. And if you're wondering how to get rid of these circles, so we select them. We select one. So I've just selected this one on the right. Now if I want to select the one on the left, I actually have to hold down Control. So holding Control button down, select the second circle, then right click on your mouse, and where it says show object, we want to deselect this. In other words, hide those objects, hide the circles. And now we've got our equilateral triangle. And if you're wondering how we worked out the lengths and angles, well, I can go up here and I'll just do one angle for you. So angle D, E, F. There's one angle. I'll just move it so that it's actually inside a little bit more. So there it is. By the way, that's a letter delta. The computer program usually uses Greek letters for angles, so alpha, beta, gamma, delta, but for the lengths it'll use, obviously if we work at this length, ED, it'll say ED equals whatever the length is. So let's just do that. So back to this icon here, selecting distance, and then clicking ED, E, D, and positioning, click on this one, positioning ED under here. Now I can try and make it the same size as this one by just dragging it along and making it about 6.88. Let's see if we can manage that. 6.7, 6.88. So these two triangles are now identical. Okay,